videos that are covering this topic on how to make money sharing the PDF files on SlideShare and scribd.com and ICU or whatever that website is. They show this method of uploading the files to these websites, but one thing they never show you is that you're violating the policies, and it is just a matter of time that your account will be suspended or shut down in just a matter of seconds. So the first website they always take you to is the IDPLR one, then those other websites that have ebooks already, but that already breaks the agreement you agree to when you are when you're signing up for Scribd and SlideShare, ICU, and all those other PDF uploading websites, even Amazon as well. So the first and the most important thing that you should not do is to rent, lease, loan, resell, and sell licensable or documents you have gained from other websites as your own. So that's the first mistake you are making if you're doing that strategy. The second mistake you're making is posting and uploading or distributing content or marketing material. Advertisement is spam or anything like that. So that is the second thing you're violating. They show you how to add your affiliate links from Clickbank. They show you how to add your affiliate links from Digistore24 and other websites as well. So that as well is something you should notice. But in this video, I'm gonna break all those methods down and I'm gonna show you a working strategy that you can use today to make even money the same way, using the same websites but in a different way. Stick around to the end and you shouldn't miss this awesome method. So did you know that if you refer people to use this website ICU or ICU or whatever the name is, you can earn up to $200, and it's very easy to sign up for their affiliate program. So the referral method you're going to be using is affiliate marketing. They'll give you a specific link that you can go ahead and share with people on the internet. Then people, once they click that link and buy a membership with ICU or Scribd or whatever PDF or website you are recommending, they will go ahead and make you some money as well. So all you need to do is just to click on this one here, start referring, and it should be good to go. So this is not the only website you can refer people to, but it's just an idea to help you get started. You need to email them and they will get back to you. It's a very easy way to promote. If you don't want to promote it on, it's fine too. You can promote the Scribd one. They have an affiliate program over on VigiLink, or which is now called the Sovereign, or whatever that name is. I think the name is changing, but you can just hit on join affiliate program. You will earn from anywhere from $7 to $8 per subscription, since they have to pay for membership. So I hope you get the idea. So you just need to sign up and one thing I will tell you is that it's easier to sign up for this affiliate network than it is for CJ or shareasale. So take that in mind and consider joining the affiliate network. So that is one way of monetizing the very strategy. But the one thing that is really important that I want you to really get is the next step that I'm going to be showing you, is that there's a lot of potential on these very keywords that are not even saturated at all. Let me show you what I mean. Okay guys, so I went over to the free keyword generator of Ahrefs, and I found this I used the one of the website names, Scribd, and I entered it in here. I chose United States and hit on find keyword. So you can see there's over 100 keywords with this very keyword in the title. You can see the keyword difficulty for the first few, but this is nothing, because the promotional strategy I'm going to be showing you doesn't need you to have a website or anything like that. So you can see here we have Scribd, Scribd Safe, Scribd Books, and download books from Scribd. Scribd Reviews has over 700 monthly search volume, and it was updated 6 days ago. So is another one with a keyword difficulty of 16, Scribd versus Audible. But if we are to go the route of reviews and we choose the Scribd one, then we go and use the same. So by scrolling down to this very website, you see the Ahrefs keyword difficulty checker right here. Hit on that, it's free. Then we enter that keyword, we shall see that script reviews is medium in difficulty. So for the promotional strategy, you don't have to worry about the keyword difficulty because the website we're going to be using has a very high domain authority. So if you look at the site, the position number 1 here. If you're enjoying the content so far, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to let YouTube's algorithms know that we are thus becoming one of your best content creators on their platform. This is important because YouTube has been hiding our content as of lately, and you'll also stay updated with all our future uploads. You will see it's sites.google.com, and I've made a video about Google Sites and affiliate marketing. I will link it up in the card right here. Go and watch the video. You understand this method in detail and you understand why the method works. So this person here is ranking number 1 and is getting 1,000 monthly visits. I would not be surprised if it's getting even more because it's ranking for 560 other keywords. So I will not be surprised if this is even higher than what is shown here. So I hope you see the potential of this method. This is by far even better than the other methods you have seen in the other videos. So I hope you get the idea. So you can go ahead and use Google Sites, watch that video. And another underrated method you can use is using Blogger. I will link up a video right now. Go and watch that video. It will show you exactly how to use Blogger to rank onto the first page of Google without having a website. Then the other promotion strategy that I would encourage you to use is YouTube. YouTube is really powerful and it's becoming one of my best free traffic sources at the moment. So the positive thing about YouTube is that you even don't need a website. You don't need to write any content. You can just head over to Google, search for that very keyword and get an idea of the topic. So once you get an idea of the topic, make a video using simple animations you can make in Canva. You can use PowerPoint, anything like that. Make simple presentations, simple 5-minute video to 6-minute video. Leave your affiliate link in the description and make another video. Keep on scaling like that. It's very easy to make videos with YouTube. You don't even need to be on camera like I am right now. So let me show you the script one. So you can see this is the content they wrote and it's a very good review, and the reason why it's ranking here is because of the length. So you can see if we highlight everything and we right click, then we count these words. I'm using an extension called word counter. It's free. You can just go get it. You can see that this is 2,418 words. So if we remember, it highlighted everything. So if we exclude this, it will be about 2,000 words, I may say, but it's still a good length to go for. So they are explaining what script does. They're adding images, subheadings. It's a very good review. And if you scroll all the way down, they have an affiliate disclosure. This already shows you that they're doing already what I'm encouraging you to do. So go ahead and try the method. It's very easy to try, and they have links here to their various social networks as well. So they have Audible review. They're reviewing all these networks here, and they're using Google Sites, which is a very high authoritative website with on Ahrefs ranking of 108, DR of 93. You can get onto the first page that easily. So I hope you like the idea. Leave a like and subscribe to the video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.